There's a baby on here. Can you sing the ABCs for the baby? Can you sing the ABCs? Is that it? Can you sing the ABCs one more time? Whoa. Can you sing the ABCs one more time, Peyton? Peyton. What does Cookie Monster do? Can you pour that on your head? Whoa. Whoa. Hey, careful. Keep it in the tub, lady. What's that? What was that?
Bug.
No, what's this one?
Okay.
What is that?
Okay.
Your turn. What is that? Where's the... Hey! Peyton, get the bug. Where's the bug? Where's the bug? Can you show me the bug? Whoa. Good. Where's the fish? Wow. Yep, those are fish. Okay. Peyton. Can you sing the ABCs? Can you sing? A, B... No, you're too busy throwing things overboard. Okay. All done. Good cleanup. How does the cleanup song go? Hedgehog. Good. All toys out of the bag. What's your name? What's your name? What's Elmo say? Dada or Lala? What's Cookie Monster do? Peyton, can you sing the ABCs?
No.
No. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you blow kisses? Say, see you later.
Here.
Tomorrow, maybe?
No.
Tomorrow. You say love you?
Hello.
Love you. Okay, bye-bye.